Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. Today I'm going to be filming this fall inspired nail look with the sweater detail design on the nails. I also did snowflakes, as you can see here, but I didn't really get good footage of that, unfortunately. If you guys want to see how I did that, I will definitely refilm that for you guys and also make it look a lot better. But yes, I hope you guys enjoy this nail video and please stay tuned. Today we have collaboration with the Beatles for their all-in-one starter kit, and this kit, I'm telling you, comes with everything that you need. They also have an advent calendar that they've launched for the holidays, and it is so amazing. Both of these are really good deals, and of course you guys know I have a discount code for you below. They sent us some toe separators in this box. This is all the things you will receive if you pick this box as well, you guys. You can get it on Amazon. We have the sponge file, a washable file, cuticle oil, which I'm going to be using today. You guys, you know, we need our cuticle oil to keep those cuticles nice and hydrated. We also have a cuticle pusher. I've never seen one like this before, but I am excited to use it. We also have a fingernail clipper. We have a Beetles brush, which I will be utilizing today, as well as a cuticle clipper. We have the matte, regular, and base coat, as well as the gel polishes. You guys see that this is a nice array of gel polishes. We have a few greens. We have in the red family and gold glitter. And then here we have the Beatles lamp. This is so compact and very powerful. This is a really good lamp to use, especially if you're starting out. This is like a really good kit for you to get started. So the first step we're going in with is the matte top coat. I've already applied my favorite Beatles gel polish. You guys know that I just purchased these on my own. This is the B072 from Beatles. This is my favorite pinky base color. And I did 2 coats of that, and then I'm just applying that matte top coat. Once I'm done applying this, I'm going to go ahead and cure this in my lamp for 60 seconds. This is what it should look like after curing it. Honestly, this is one of the best matte top coats that I've seen in a while, and I've used other ones and I'm just not a fan, which is why you guys don't really see it on my channel. These are the 3 colors that I'm going to be using out of the kit, and here are the swatches of those. This is 1 coat. And the opacity is beautiful. Just imagine when it's more than 1 coat. I'm telling you guys, Beatles has mastered what they're doing with these gel polishes. This is just the lid of a Bath & Body Works mason jar candle. Yeah, I use anything that I can as long as it's a flat surface. And I'm just using this as a palette to put down some of the gel polish because I'm going in and creating that French tip. So here I'm just going in and I'm about to start applying the French tip to the thumbnail, and I'm using one of my small detail brushes that I've purchased, I don't know, I believe at like a nail supply or something like that. Just something that gives me some precision. I actually didn't go in and clean up any of these French tips with alcohol, so I'm pretty surprised by that, but this is a really good brush to use. I feel like I need to get more of these brushes, and I know that I have some that I literally have not opened, so I need to find those so that we can get more into like the detail art on the nails. Let me know what you guys want to see on this channel. Like, I see that you guys more so like the neutral nail design, something more natural, and that's definitely my vibe. So if that's something that you guys want to see more of, please let me know down in the comments below. As you guys can see, I really like to take my time so that I don't have to go back and correct much if I do at all. I did move on to using my regular brush from the gel bottle after I've created that smile line, and this just makes the process overall much quicker. And I just want to make sure that all of the gel polish is evenly distributed across the nail, and we're just making sure to cap off that edge as well with the gel polish. Okay, you guys, so this is for two of the nails that have the snowflake detail on them. Please do not be mad at me, but I do not have the footage of me applying the snowflakes. When I tell you, my hand was shaking. After, I do these videos when I get off of my regular, job, and I just knew I needed to get this filmed, and so I was just like, oh my god, why is my hand shaking so bad? I also just don't like the way that I put matte on top of matte for the snowflake. It did not help it with standing out on these nails. It still turned out really pretty, but it's not ideal for what I want, and I want to give you guys quality and like really good tutorials. So we'll definitely be redoing this nail design, and I'll be actually showing you guys how I like to do the snowflakes. I think that that'll be really good for a holiday nail set inspiration for like Christmas and December. It's winter, snow vibes. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I do make the snowflake design and want to see that in an upcoming video, if you guys want to see stuff like that, please just let me know down in the comments below as well. Okay, so here is where I'm going in with my sweater design. So I'm first adding 2 marks, just 2 little dashes next to each other, and then I'm going to leave a little space in between the 2 and do the same thing just below it. Here I'm just making sure my lines make sense. I think you guys can kind of tell right here, I was like, oof, let me really focus in on this nail, because you can't really see it, but I was shaking a little bit. And I was like, I gotta get this nail design right. I don't want to mess it up. But I really do like the sweater nail design. I think it's super cute, and it's so fall and winter. It's just the cutest little cozy nail design. So yeah, I'm just kind of thickening those lines a little bit here, and then I'm going to go across and connect the top right line to the bottom left line, just like that. And so if this design was like the full nail, I would do it all the way from the base down to the tip of the nail. But because it's only like a French tip, I don't have to do all that. And then I'm creating 2 lines, one on each side of the little sweater detail in the center. As you guys will see in a second, I'm going to be just putting like little marks along the side as well. And now that we have the design down, I'm just going in with some clear powder. This is a dip powder. You can use acrylic powder. It doesn't matter, just as long as it's clear. And I'm just dumping that over the nail design while it's still wet. And then I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. Now we're pulling out that Beetles brush, and we're going to use that to dust off any of the clear dip powder from the nail. So this is what the nail is looking like so far, and as you can see, I've applied some of the gold glitter polish onto the detail brush, and I'm just going around the smile line of the French tip and applying that gold glitter gel polish. I'm going to do 2 coats, curing it for 60 seconds in between each coat. Okay, so here are the honorable mention nails, the additional nails, and we're just dusting the clear powder off of those as well. As you can see, I have another sweater design on the pinky, I have snowflakes, and then I just have like this thick squiggle line, which is really cute actually. I think I might do a full set with that one. This is them all done with the gold smile lines. I did add some gold little balls to the ring finger, as well as like a little green stone inside of the snowflake. I did remove one of the balls from that one because I felt like it was doing a lot. You'll see it here in just a second. And now I'm taking the top coat from the all-in-one kit, and I'm just applying that over the gold smile line as well as the base color. Alrighty, you guys, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and if you stuck around until the end, be on the lookout for our giveaway and all of the instructions. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure that you like, comment, and also leave a little white heart in the comment section so that I can put you into the giveaway.